Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we'll be talking about cleansers. Double cleansing is very important in any skincare routine. It helps you remove the makeup first so the second step cleanser can get as close to your skin as possible. The benefit of first step cleanser is to break down the makeup, remove all the excess oil and clean your skin. These days there are so many first step cleansers in the market. One of the most popular ones are cleansing balms, cleansing oils, micellar water and makeup wipes. Today, we prepared some products and tools in order to conduct a small experiment and see how the first step cleansers feel and work on the skin. We will be looking into three main factors. First, advantages and or disadvantages of each product. Next, we'll be looking into the effectiveness of cleansing with each product. For that, we'll be using a special microscope. And finally, we'll be looking into the overall application method and the feeling it leaves behind. We chose one product from each category. Cleansing balm from I'm From, cleansing oil from Purito, micellar water from Bioderma, and makeup wipes from Ariel. We will be looking into each product starting from the thickest to the lightest in texture. Starting with the cleansing balm. As you can see, I already have makeup on my skin, and I think it's important to mention that I used quite strong eyeliner and waterproof mascara, so I think it will be exceptionally challenging for this product to remove the makeup from my skin. At the end of this video, you'll be able to see 4 comparison images of how well these products cleanse the skin. Cleansing balms are very similar to cleansing oils, but in a solid state. They melt and turn into the oil form to help break down the makeup and sunscreen on the skin. One of the biggest advantages of this product is its solid formula. They are great as travel buddies since they are not as messy to use and portable. A disadvantage of the cleansing balms is that they usually contain a polyethylene glycol or PEG. It is a microplastic used for thickening the formula, which makes this product not the most eco-friendly option. After all your makeup and grime has broken down, wet your hands to emulsify your cleansing oil or balm. It will turn into the soft, milky texture, and it will be easily rinsed off without leaving any residue behind. Second step cleansing will help clear your pores and wash away any possible residue behind. I'm back, my skin feels quite fresh, but I do have this urge to move on to the second step cleanser as soon as possible. Now, let's see how well my makeup has been removed using a microscope. Wow, this is crazy. As you can see, the cleansing balm has fully removed my waterproof mascara, and my eye area looks quite clean. So we do not see any eyeliner. Let's see if we still have the glitters under my eye area. There are really little small sparkles remaining, but I think it's not really big deal because we're gonna wash this all off with the second step foam cleanser. The main function of the cleansing oils are quite similar to cleansing balms. They dissolve the makeup. These products are oil-based makeup removers that work to effectively melt away any sunscreen, waterproof makeup, and even clear pores during the first cleanse. They usually come in pump bottle to avoid any contamination, which is different from cleansing balms. In this case, it's a huge advantage of cleansing oils. A disadvantage of cleansing oils is that it can be a bit messy due to its liquid formula. It can also leave an uncomfortable, oily, greasy film behind. So it is important to emulsify a cleansing oil the same as we did with the cleansing balm. The application is quite comfortable and easy. It doesn't sting my eyes, which is one of the best parts in cleansing oils. It melts away all my makeup, as you can see, quite fast, and feels quite nourishing on the skin. You can see how the makeup melts off on the skin. So it seems like the effectiveness of cleansing oil is quite similar to the cleansing balm. It has removed almost all of my makeup, as you can see, and even my waterproof mascara. But let's double check using the microscope. So as you can see, there's not big difference compared to the effectiveness of the cleansing balm. My lashes look quite clean, and the best part is that we see less sparkles. So the end of my eyes look very clean. We don't see any traces of eyeliner, and there is no mascara. So right after application, what I can say is that my skin feels quite clean, but the best part is that there is no drying feeling. It is important to move on to the second step water-based cleanser right away. One of the most famous micellar waters out there are from the brand called Bioderma and Garnier. Micellar water is basically a formula of these tiny small lipids called micelles. These micelles attract the grime and dirt from the skin, leaving it clean and refreshed. One of the disadvantages of this product is that it may require a bit more swipes and time to remove everything from the skin compared to oil-based cleansers. So it might not always be that effective in removing waterproof makeup, but we'll check that in this video. Also, even when using as soft as cotton pads with a micellar water, it can cause a slight irritation on the sensitive skin. Here's another tip on how to use a cleansing water. Some dermatologists here in Korea have shared the method of turning cleansing water into foam with the help of foam making bottle. Just put the needed amount of cleansing water into the bottle, and once it makes the cleansing foam, you can use the product on your skin same as you would use the cleansing foam, which can help avoid any irritation caused by the cotton pads. Micellar water feels just like water on the skin, but it does take some more time to cleanse all makeup off. But if you are using cotton pads, make sure to soak them into the cleansing water first and then keep them on the eye area for about 10 seconds and only then swipe it so that the product has time to break down the makeup. Cleansing power of the cleansing water seems a bit weaker compared to cleansing oil and balm, but it should be okay since we'll be using the second step cleanser anyway. Here we can see Amy's skin right after application. She did mention that she had some eye stinging sensation right after using the micellar water. But the good part is that cleansing water does not leave any oily or greasy feelings on the skin right after application compared to the cleansing balm or cleansing oil. Finally, our last product, we are moving on to the makeup wipes. One of the biggest disadvantages of makeup wipes are the chemicals that can be harsh to your skin, causing micro tears. They can even push makeup into the pores, causing further breakouts. Another reason why makeup wipes are not the best choice is that they are usually single-use products, so it might not be always a eco-friendly option. Now imagine using one every single day. This can significantly increase the number of waste produced. But still, there are people who like using this product since it's very comfortable and easy way to remove makeup on the go. When on the plane or after a very exhausting day, there are people who reach out to makeup wipes to remove the makeup. As you can see, the makeup wipes do not really remove the makeup, instead just smear it on the skin. Also, we had to use a bit more wipes in order to remove the products from the face, so it takes a bit longer time compared to other cleansers. The cleansing power of the wipes is slightly weaker compared to other types of cleansers, especially the eyeliner and the glitters are still remaining on the skin, so it's crucial to use the second step cleanser for a better cleansing effect. Here's Amy's skin right after using cleansing wipes. She did mention that her skin felt a bit more irritated and dry. But please do remember that all these features may differ depending on the product. There might be a cleansing oil that is very effective in removing makeup, and there is ones that are not as much. As always, it is important to choose the product that suits best to your skin type. Also, people's preference may differ depending on their priorities. Some people might even choose an easier cleansing method using makeup wipes. For me, personally, I really enjoy using cleansing oils since they're very soft on the skin, and I find it fascinating how it turns into oil and instantly removes the strongest makeup. Since I have an oily skin type, cleansing balms also help deep cleanse my pores. But on the days when I have breakouts, I tend to choose micellar water and use it by the foaming method that I have shared with you earlier. Here, you'll be able to see the screenshots from the microscope showing the cleansing power of each product that we have shared today. It is crucial to know that using only one of these products is not enough. It is very important to use the second water-based cleanser right after first step cleansing routine. And on this note, we are concluding this episode. I hope you liked this video. If you did, don't forget to give us a like, subscribe to our channel, and turn on the notifications. I will see you next time. Bye bye!